Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make Ankara makeup bag. These are the materials I will be using: tape, zipper, scissors, our Ankara fabric. This is gum stay and lining. So this Ankara fabric, I've already cut it out. It's 16 and a half. The length, the width is also 16 and a half. The same thing for the gum stay, the same thing for the lining, 16 and a half length and 16 and a half width. So now we will go to the pressing iron. We are going to press our Ankara fabric together with our gum stay. On your gum stay, there is a part that has adhesive, so you look for that part. This part has adhesive. Then on the wrong side of your fabric, let the part that has adhesive, let them be facing each other. Then arrange it with your hot pressing iron. Glue the fabric to the gum stay. See, when it's well iron glued, it will stick to the clothes. See, this part now has already stick to the gum stay. So I am done ironing the gum stay to the fabric. So now on your lining, this lining, like I said, is also 16 and a half width and 16 and a half length. So we are going to be ironing this lining. You fold half an inch on this edge, press it down half an inch on this other edge too, half an inch here too. Look at what we have. Then I've clap it to the back like this. Now they are backing, that half an inch I ironed are backing each other. So they will be like this. Now press it down. I am done with the lining. So this will be the handle for the makeup bag. The length is 9 inches and the width is 4 inches. I cut gum stay for this also. So we are going to be sticking this gum stay to our fabric with hot iron. So you fold half an inch here, iron, and we'll fold half an inch here also. We'll press it. So we'll fold it together like this and press. Okay, so this is what I have. I will be sewing this with a straight stitch on this edge and on this other edge. So back to our makeup bag. I want to sew zipper now, so I'll be sewing my zipper like this with a straight stitch. Let me use pin to secure it. So I am done pinning. This is what you have after sewing. So you are going to run a straight stitch. So let's go straight to the sewing machine. So I want to run a straight stitch down. I am done stitching this part of the zipper. So you bring in this other side. We are going to stitch this side also, 1/2 inch. I'll use safety pin to secure it. So I am done pinning. This is how we'll be sewing. I'll be stitching on this side. So let's go straight to the sewing machine. So after sewing, this is what I have. Now you make the bag like this. So you pin. I'm going to pin here down. Pin here also. Now pin here also. So now to the edges of the bag. From this point, you will measure 2 inches. 2 inches. Then in to the side of the zip, 2.5 inches. Like this. 2.5 inches, and like this 2 inches. So connect. I'll come here also from this folded parts, 2 inches, and in like this 2.5 inches. So connect. I will do the same for this side. So I'm going to do this same measurement for the lining. Remember the lining. So I will also pin. I will pin this 1/2 inches. Remember, this was how that the lining was like this. These 1/2 inches I put, they were facing each other, so I clap it to the back and folded them like this on their side. So now they are the 1/2 inch are both backing each other. So I will use pin to pin it down, and I will do the same measurement I did. 2.5 inches to the zipper side and 2 inches to the folded side. So we'll be connecting something like a 4 corner. So I will do same for this part and this part. I am done with the measurement. Now I'm going to cut. I'll cut this other side as well. I am done cutting now to this. I'm going to cut the bag also. So after cutting, you are going to stitch 1/2 inch here. I'm going to stitch like this, 1/2 inch here and 1/2 inch here also. And we'll do the same for the lining, 1/2 inch here, 1/2 inch here. Let's go to the sewing machine. So I have stitched 1/2 inch on this side and 1/2 inch on this side also. So I'm going to stitch the lining to 1/2 inch. So I am done stitching the lining, 1/2 inch on this side and 1/2 inch on this side. So now remember the handle of our makeup bag, 4 inches width and 9 inches length. I folded 1/2 inch on the right side and 1/2 inch on the left side, and I folded it on the other side. I said we are going to sew straight stitch down and straight stitch down. So that's what I will do right now. So I've already cut out the excess zip I have on the both side. So now we are going to stitch these corners that are already cut out. This side will be facing this side. Then before then, our handle, let it come in through one side of the bag. I'm going to stitch it together like this. We are going to run a stitch. I want to pin it. So this other side, then bring this other one on it. I'm going to stitch. So I'll pin it too. This side too, do the same for this side. Then on the lining too, do the same for the lining. Stitch them like this and do the same. So let's go to the sewing machine. So after sewing, this is what I have. Look at the lining too. So this lining, I'm going to turn it to the right side. This is where I sewed from. I'll turn it to the right side. Turn it inside. So I'll wear the lining for the bag. So wait, I'll be running hemming stitch. Like this. Let me just use pin to secure it. So I just open the bag so that I can pin my lining very well to my makeup bag. So I have done that. I've pinned the lining around the bag. So now with the help of our needle and thread, I'll be running hemming stitch on the bag. The way we will be sewing, your needle and thread will not show on the bag. That's what we will be sewing, like hemming stitch. So this is what I will do round the bag. If you want, you can use maybe a shoe or glue gun to just gum your lining to your bag, but I want to sew. So I am done running my hemming stitch. I did it round for the bag. So I'm going to turn the bag inside out. So I have turned the bag inside out. This is what it looks like. Let me zip it close. So this is what the bag look like. Wow, Ankara makeup bag is ready.